Embolism.
Both lobes of the lungs were severely scarred.
She's more severely damaged than we thought.
And at best, severely.
Cracked severely.
That all future Indian emigration be severely restricted.
Severely distraught, weeping.
Her lungs were severely weakened by the infection.
And severely beaten at the New Jersey shore last Tuesday.
Severely lacerated.
Sir, you have my word for it. This man will be punished.
Why then should not the state, very severely hit by you brutal...
He ought to be dealt with very severely.
Mother, please stop. Have you ever been severely beaten about the face and...
Sustained a serious hair embolism.
Embolism.
Both lobes of the lungs were severely scarred.
Can't keep the lungs of the nation forever, can you, Doc?
I'm afraid the...
By the morning, it's the Yorktown we're worried about. She's more severely damaged than we thought.
How soon can we expect to dry dock her?
By the 7th.
At worst, be fatally injured, and at best, severely injured. So I'm sorry, I disagree.
Well, so what happened? Did he crack?
Yes, Mitch, he cracked severely.
Why?
But they might also recommend that all future Indian emigration be severely restricted, even stopped.
State during all of this.
She was severely distraught, weeping. She kept repeating, "Am I pregnant? Am I pregnant?"
Mary didn't make it through the surgery. Her lungs were severely weakened by the infection. Her respiratory system collapsed under the iron.
An unidentified homeless man who was accosted and severely beaten at the New Jersey shore last Tuesday lies in critical but stable condition in one of that...
32-year-old female, both of her legs are severely lacerated. On 3, ready?
This is my wife.
A lot of crap to me.
It is a lot of crap, son.
Sir, you have my word for it. This man will be punished severely. What the hell do I care?
One hits you, you hit back, do you not? Why then should not the state, very severely hit by you brutal hooligans, not hit back also?
Responsible for the whole thing. The girl's death, everything. He ought to be dealt with very severely.
Mother, please stop.
You're behaving like an hysterical child tonight, Sheila. And if you would take...
No what?
No!
Benjamin, have you ever been severely beaten about the face and neck?
No!
I thought not.
And Julian up kick dancing.
You judge the company severely, madam.
I was describing what you would be thinking.
Allow me to think...
Job, sir. No offense.
Major, are you aware Earth's resources are severely limited?
Every school child knows that our recycling technology
is continuing to weaken our main units, and reserves are severely depleted.
My Fury, you remember Colonel Stauffenberg?
Half normal, severely anemic.
Tied by ropes to a wooden table. She had been severely beaten on her back and thighs. She had burns on her breasts. She had
Permitted to faint without written permission. Virgil complains, and he is severely tortured. For several days, he is locked in a sweat box with an insurance.
Realized he could not return to the airport and land. His options severely limited. The only place he could go down was the Hudson River.
You see, recently, over a 2-week period, my career, hell, my whole life, was severely tested. Let's just say my power credentials were on the line.
Energetic.
We're severely hyperactive. You know, ADHD, it's the thing.
With his customary bravery, severely wounded 2 helpless natives.
Those natives were not helpless. They
expect anyone of attempting to escape, they will be punished severely.
Once word of the escape was out, we had to...
Mr. Van Dam. Has anyone ever told you that you overplay your various roles rather severely, Mr. Kaplan? First, you're the outraged Madison Avenue man.
Her legs were quite severely scratched. From running through the brambles, I should imagine.
Which means that any discussion of this assignment anywhere, ever, will be severely punished. Do you understand?
Mr. Gecko's shameless intention here to strip this company and severely penalize the stockholders. I strongly recommend you to reject his tender.
I'm in a psychiatric hospital. I was labeled as severely mentally ill. I used to fuck mannequins.
I want to be clear about this, okay?
This man and the other one were severely beating us. James Cole didn't start it. In fact, he saved me.
What's your place? He has a severely depressed fracture of the skull. I don't think he'll see on the night.
Lord Blakeney.
I wrote, partner. I'm severely injured.
Yes, you got drugs on.
And also shot by a rat.
110. Melinda Flores of York, Melinda. She was severely injured, but somehow managed to escape with her life thanks to the bravery.
Driver of the car, a man named Oronson, was pinned and severely injured. We tried desperately to pry him loose with our hands.
Legends are true, though. Vampires are severely allergic to silver. Feed them garlic and they're going anaphylactic shock.
As long as they keep their mouths shut, they won't have to dig any more holes. But if they talk, they'll be severely punished.
What should I tell them we're going to do to them if they do talk?
If you make trouble like this, your husband will be punished severely for your insolence. If I find you out here again by your...
must be 1 centimeter. Jews who do not respect this decree will be severely punished. Governor of Warsaw District.
Implying Anglo-American world rule. In my opinion, you should be severely disciplined.
No, Bill. This time I didn't do a damn thing. They...
The converse of polite society, which, if judged severely, would warrant the consignment to Bedlam of many in this...
He's severely injured from the beating. Spleens ruptured.
Oh, I'm not too sure. You know, I was severely frostbitten a moment ago.
What do you mean?
This morning when we were introduced.